Hi, my name is Kevin. I want to share with you some content that I present in my different workshops that I lead for universities and other types of organizations. So first, I want you to consider this image. Publish on Substack instead. And this is in a traditional newspaper per se. This is actually an AI generated image. I really like the message that it sends. A lot of individuals, they want to be thought leaders. They want to be experts and they think, oh, I got to publish an op-ed in a prestigious newspaper. If you have an opportunity to publish in a prestigious newspaper, great. But I have news for you, it's very hard to do so. So think about publishing on your own platforms. I actually wrote about this topic in Inside Higher Ed, an article about how different professors are using Substack and LinkedIn newsletters to build their thought leadership and to publish on their own. So one person noted in this article is Amy Colbert from the University of Iowa. And she has a Substack called Who Am I Now? And it details her journey dealing with Parkinson's disease. There's also someone I highlight named Megan Gerhardt. She runs the Gentelligence newsletter, which deals with generational differences in the workforce. And finally, there's Larry Kotlikoff. He writes a Substack called Economics Matters. And as you'll see, he has over 123,000 subscribers. That's more subscribers than many mid-sized, even some bigger sized cities, newspapers. I interviewed all three of these individuals and their insights are highlighted in the Inside Higher Ed article. But in summary, the benefits of publishing on your own are as follows. You can publish when you want. You can build your own audience. So in the case of Larry Kotlikoff, he has over 123,000 subscribers. He's able to market to them if for some reason he wanted to publish a book and he needed people to buy the book, and that actually did occur. You can be much more efficient. So as opposed to going back and forth on numerous editing with the editors at a big newspaper, you have the potential to write quickly and get that article out, get feedback, adapt as needed. It's great sometimes to go through that robust editorial process, but other times you just want to be quick and ship it quickly. Publishing on Substack, publishing your own content through LinkedIn newsletters provides that opportunity for you. And finally, you can publish more regularly. You don't have to publish once every couple months. If you wanted to write something every day, every week, every month, you have the ability to create your own schedule. So I encourage you to check out this article on Inside Higher Ed. It's entitled Op-Eds Are Shrinking as Substack and LinkedIn Newsletters Are Expanding. Also invite you to connect with me on LinkedIn. Would love to dialogue with you about communications training and also the ways in which individuals can build their own thought leadership through their own publishing platforms. Thanks so much.